Right, we're going to do some distance time polygons now, which are sometimes known as isochrones. So what we'll do, we'll use an initial postcode to start with, which is where we're located, and the measurement is going to be time. Now the total minutes of travel time is how far away can we travel over 45 minutes in any direction using the road network, and the number of increments we're going to use will be 4. So that should give us polygons of approximately 10-minute intervals each, or 11 minutes. So we've done this, click create. It goes away and thinks about that, produces a legend here, and if we look at the polygons, from the initial postcode that I put in, the purple polygon here shows how far we can get in 11 minutes. The green one is how far we can get in 22 minutes. The yellow is how far we can get in 30 minutes. And the red is how far we can travel in 45 minutes. Now, as with the other features, if we want to use find centroids, we can do. That'll find the centroids that exist within each of these polygons. It's not very good here because there's too many polygons. Actually, I'll delete them all. I'll go 2 increments and then create. Oh, total miles to travel, we'll do 45 miles, 2 increments, create. That's better. And now we find centroids, and then we colour the postcodes. Continue. There we go. Much better. Let's get rid of those, hide the polygons. There we can see from the initial postcode that I entered, which was in Y018, it shows that you can get to the center of these postcodes in half of 45, which is 22.5. So anyway, you get the idea.